I'm just getting my stuff all set up. I bring up the stream so I can read it. I can read it over here. What up, sleeper? Oh, price action's rough today. What up, Badella? What up? I haven't seen you in a little bit. What's going on? Got Blue in the house. What option play did you do for ASPN? So I sold 22.5 puts and bought 22.5 calls 5 days ago, and I also bought 300 shares. If you look, it was literally sitting at the 200. So this is when I bought the calls and sold the puts. And I just told myself, the worst comes to worst, I end up owning the stock at like 21.50. And I bought 300 shares also. And then I sold 300 shares pre-market. If you looked in the Discord, I sold them at 27.90. So I sold them above what it even traded at today. Freaking hit. Is evals on Apex? Yeah, yes. Apex is still 1 day to pass. Work got me busy. I had to step back and see what works for me. Getting ready to request. Whoa, nice. Well, good luck on the payout. Good luck on the payout. Oh, man. What firm, Badella? I'm guessing Apex. How many days out? It was, the options expired, I think, next week. Next week, the options expired. I might ride this to the end of the day. I've been talking about a short all day. I appreciate it, Badella. I've been talking about shorting since the market opened. Before the market opened, up here I was talking about shorting, and then I was on the stream. I missed the majority of the move, and the whole time since. This kind of reminds me of yesterday, where we drop, we trend, and then all of a sudden at the end of the day, we just drop again. That's kind of what I think is going to happen. That's kind of like my thought process. Yo, what up, Al? Dude, trying to get this account back halfway decent. Honestly, I think if we blow through the 200, we can really pick up some steam here to the downside. I should just take it though. If I was up on the day, I probably would have held that. But you get in the 21 and the 5, you got the 200, probably going to bounce. And sure enough, we just did. That's a bounce. I'm glad I took it now. Oh, I'm glad I took that. I mean, it's one big flag if you look at it. I mean, here it is. I mean, you kind of like, you know, it's kind of like that for the day. I mean, and we're just getting to, yo, what up, Ace? I mean, you're just going to get to the apex of it soon, you know? Yo, what up, Josh? Long or short, whatever way it kind of breaks. You know, right now I'm just going to look, it's going to consolidate in here. And at some point, we're going to break to one side or the next. This is just what we've been doing all day. The moves are getting smaller and smaller, which means there's less money to be had until we're out of this. You know, like the moves are getting smaller. Up here, you're getting big moves, smaller, 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 smaller. Carlos, if you break the rules in Apex, do you have to request to get denied and then just request, see what happens? You never know. Never know. Oh. How'd you break the rules? What'd you do? Did you slap Darrell in his ass? I mean, what did you do that you don't think you're going to get paid? Give Darrell a big old wedgie? Let's hear it. What up, A plus? You DCA'd? How much did you DCA? What'd you start at and what you end at? They might still pay you, man. They might still pay you. Oh man, this is getting to they might still pay you, Carlos. I wouldn't be worried. And worst comes to worst, you keep trading it. Who cares? Yeah, so who cares? I mean, you're just going to build up a bigger buffer. So just that's how I look at it. Yeah, I wouldn't worry, man. I would rather do that. Don't short. This is bullish. Yeah, it's I mean, you're just in one big pattern. I shorted. I mean, I think this is kind of the top of the pattern. I'm only looking for it to come down a little bit. I'm not looking for a massive down. There you go. Quick 40. Quick 40. I mean, long on a runner. My trade idea, honestly, you probably shouldn't touch this until it breaks over 351, or you kind of break this trend to the downside. I actually like if we broke to the downside and they sold it back down to 205. That would be the best. Manco, Apex is a scam. Where do you trade, man? And why is it a scam? FTT is a scam. I mean, just all I'm asking for is a little supporting documentation on why it's a scam. Like, every prop firm makes money by you losing accounts. If you don't lose accounts and you get payouts, you win. If you blow accounts, they win. They're betting on the majority of the people blowing accounts. It's cut and dry. I don't know why Apex is a scam, but everyone has the same business model. It's the same thing. Everything is a scam. Trading is a scam. Working is a scam. Life is a scam. Dude, it's crazy. I mean, nothing you can do. You either trade or what I tell everybody. I have the best news ever. It's actually going to change your lives. You ready? Take some money and put it in E-Trade and trade your own money, and then you don't have to worry about any of these firms. And then everybody's like, oh, but well, then you got to play by their rules. No one is forcing you to use. Nobody's forcing you to use them. Go to E-Trade or whatever international brokers or scamming. It's just, just go put your own money to work, man. That's the easiest way to go around all the prop firms, is just trade your own money. And if you don't want to trade your own money because you like what the prop firm is offering you and you're using them, I mean, you're deciding to pay these firms. I'm not telling you to use them. It's crazy. Yeah, it's super simple. It's like the easiest thing ever. Yeah, interactive brokers. Yeah, I mean, that's just the money you have to have in your account, the margin requirement. Yeah, man, gotta have money. Gotta have money in the old brokerage account. Hey, and if you don't want to do that, then you use a service of propfirm. I mean, it's so simple. I mean, this is they're either going to shoot this like fucking 40 points up, or we're about to reject. Who thinks we're going to break out of this huge pattern to the upside, or we're going to dump? We're right here. I full portered with 10 minis on a PA twice. If I hit payout, I'll get denied. I full ported with 10 minis on a PA. I mean, ballsy. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. This is grinding. I'll be honest with you. I'm kind of liking the up. I feel like if they blow it out, they're going to blow it the fuck out. It almost seems like the bulls are going to be eating. What up, Dave? What up? What up? Woohoo! Woohoo, baby! Fuck yeah. Holy shit. Hopefully somebody fucking followed. Wow. Dude, that was 400 and something dollars in my freaking PA account. This was down 6 something, and now I'm only down 258. Do you have your own futures account? I do have my own futures account. I most definitely have my own money to trade in futures. Do I trade futures in my own money account like you are watching me trade? That is a no. Wow. How high is this thing going? Charlie Sheen level. Winning. Honestly, I mean, like, that was an educated guess for the breakout because you've been grinding. If we shot up to this level, I probably would have taken a rollover. Stylish, welcome to the channel. I mean, we can keep going higher. I mean, this thing looks like it's gonna freaking go to the moon. Look at that. We made up this whole dump. Dude, that's wild. And this, I mean, you'd be looking for like 389 if you were going to short. Wow. Wow. That was a move. I mean, I made money. I made $200 in fast track account, for something in this account, pop some in here. Go 420. You were bearish for the rest of the day. I was. I've been talking about the short, but you got to play what the chart gives you. I would have loved to see this break to the downside. I think there was more move to the downside. I think if this broke to the downside, you'd have a much bigger move than 35 points up. I mean, that's all this is 35 points. I think if you broke to the downside, you probably could have got maybe low a day. I mean, you might have gotten 110 to the downside. I would have much rather the downside. That would have been I can't believe we made this whole thing up, almost like it didn't happen. Dude, I got my Celsius in the fridge ready for me. What's crazy is I was in towards the bottom, but look, this is the structure. All it is a flag. And then we just broke it to the up. Oh. I want to pass this. Yo, I love my Celsius. I'm going to get out in a little bit. Yo, smash them. Well, I mean, listen. You just ride the wave, Kevin. Don't fight it. Don't fight it. Just ride it. No reason to fight it. Just, hey, if it's going up, it's going up. And you know what? What people don't realize is, I mean, you can even look at stock option premiums. It's geared towards the upside. The market is geared to go up. You know, the market's supposed to go up. It goes up slowly, but goes down quickly. So you'll get like a week or two of just the market getting destroyed, and then you'll just slowly be up. It's just how it works. Don't fight it. Come on, pop this shit. Pop it. Don't call me Kevin. My name is Keith. I was talking to Kevin right above you. He wrote, LOL, the scam market 80% of the time is up 80% of the time. Do I eat prunes? I do not eat prunes. Come on, pop this thing. Here we go. Here we go. Getting close. Getting close. I don't know if that's going to see high a day, but it bounced off the, it broke over the hourly. Broke over the hourly orb, the first hour of the market where it trades, retested it, and kind of bouncing. Are they just going to pop this thing back over? Pop it. Pop a locket. Come on. Oh, baby. Come on. Push it. What up, Andy? All good in the hood? Just scalp that a little bit. A little scalp action. Dude, I'm going to get a Celsius. Woo, baby. Celsius time. Patron time. Oh, baby. All right. So today's Celsius of the day is brought to you. Let's see if I can see it on here. Oh, it's not picking it up. There you go. Arctic Vibe. What up, Dora? What up? What up? When you trade an extra 10 days, do you need to make the buffer requirement? No, you just got to stay over. So your account is already over enough. So the bottom is 50,100. So you just got to stay above that. Oh, man. So good. Celsius is pad for you. Celsius is, it's a drug. Our Netflix earnings today or tomorrow? Caffeine bomb. All right, hold on one second. Let's see. Netflix earnings? I'll look it up right now. Netflix is tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning. Who is going to be up for the Netflix earnings? I might have to stream their Netflix earnings. What's up, Keith? Here, I'll do it too. I'm in too. That's a market mover. Yeah, it is. It super is. Who else is reporting tomorrow? Tomorrow earnings. So you have Abbott Laboratories, U.S. Bank Corp, Las Vegas Sands. Oh no, I'm reading fucking today. TSM is tomorrow. TSM and Netflix are tomorrow morning. Woo! Morgan Stanley's tomorrow. Damn. Nokia is still around. There's some big earnings tomorrow. Do you know if any, if in volumetric platform has Renko or range frame? I can look for you. I don't see that. You can pull this feed out and put it on Quant Tower. What are you using to see earnings? I think I went to like Nasdaq.com. Amazing how big moves are always against me. Damn, Kid Poker. I was looking for the short all day, Poker. All day. So I'm with you. So this bottom is the hourly orb. So I think as long as that holds, we could possibly go up. It's a bear kick in the ass. Here you go, Joanne. Here, earnings. Earnings tomorrow. Yeah, I use Nasdaq.com. They have an earnings calendar, Nasdaq.com. Yep. Going to blow my fucking PA? Sucks. Been there, man. What up, JP? What up, what up? Man, my neck. Just crazy, man. I thought the big move would have been to the downside. All day I've been waiting for it. Dude, I've been waiting for the move to the downside the whole time. Dude, I'm going to say something, man. I don't know if you guys are paying attention, but nuclear stocks are going to go through the roof. Do you see Amazon, Microsoft, all these companies are going to be using nuclear power for their shit? Or you guys, no one gives a shit? I feel like I missed the boat, but I think it's so early. I feel like I missed the boat, but it's so early. Nuclear stocks. I'm going to be looking after hours for all the nuclear stocks. I know they're probably all up a ton. Yeah, CCJ is the main one. That's in the 50s already. There's a bunch of them, man. I almost wanted to cool off for like a couple weeks where they come down like 5% and then just unload it, man. Just start pounding all the stocks, all the nuclear stocks. Are they dropping this? Yeah, I gotta look though. Man, if they could bring this back over 63. Cool. Oh, man. This thing goes back over. Need to drop 50 points? You might get a drop right here, man. I don't think you're getting 50 points. I think the general feeling of today is not. You might drop, but I don't. 50 points is all the way down here. This felt like yesterday. If you look at today, you had a big drop, consolidated. And then if you go back to how yesterday looked, it's the same freaking pattern. Yes, here's yesterday. You dropped, you consolidated, and then it broke down. And that's kind of what I thought we were going to get today. But instead they scooped it. The rollover could have happened like right here, and you could have definitely seen it. Come on, bring it back up. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh, is this it? Can I get this over? I need $100. $100. Come on. Come on. 37. Pump it. Pump it. Pump it. I'm moving my stop up. Keep going, baby. Pump it. Break over. I'm going to get paid. Let's go. Go. Our micro. Dude, I'm trying to get it over. I need $50. I'm not trying to get hundreds here. I'm trying to get $50. Get over, and I'm going to request a payout today. Go. Unbelievable. Oh, 100 USD. Yeah. $100. Actually, now it's $82, and I can request a $2,000 payout. I've been saving it for the stream. I wanted to do it on the stream today. Unreal. Damn. Oh, they're pumping it now. 103. Dude, I'm just taking that. Dude, this account was down $800 at one point. Dude, get right over there with a big ass green candle. Pump it 5 points at least. 5 points. No. Up. Come on. Come on. Pump it. Oh, fuck me. I'm out. Yeah. The structure is falling apart. Basically, you want to see higher highs on the candles. And once you break under, that's not really what you want to be seeing. You want to see a continuation. Damn, man. Bovash, what up? What up? Need a 60-point dump? I don't know if you're going to get a 60-point dump. Sergio, what up? Dude, I haven't even turned the thing on. I think people just come into the chat, put that in, and then they leave. Had to have happened today because I streamed this morning. 7 people put the code in, and the number watching didn't even move one bit. So it was somebody that was just rotating accounts, putting the code in, signing off, signing back on, signing off, signing back on, and just kept putting the code in. It was crazy. I was like, dude, it's impossible because 7 people came in and out. It was like, dude, it's the same, and it was the same guy just over and over and over, like a name that you don't normally see in the room, just over and over and over again. I was like, crazy. I need 5 points. 5 points. Smash it. I am here. I know who it is. Ghost Quicker. This thing's just going to roll. Dude. Yo, what up, Lee? Yeah, this thing is... Dude, I needed freaking. I needed 5 points with 5 micros, but apparently I'm getting stocked out, but they didn't take all of my stuff, so I don't know. I don't know. Just got a couple bucks back. I was just shorting for a quick scalp. It's probably that guy that's always asking me to give away accounts for you on your channel. Bro, that's so weird. So weird. I basically need 120 bucks, $123. I think if somebody told me that where it's going to end higher or lower from where we are right now, I would say higher. I'd probably say higher. Yeah. Feels higher. Just kind of feels like we're going to just hang out. So 1 hour away from the murder bot. It's like at a weird spot right now. You're above the 1 hour orb, which is at 357. I kind of want to see this get worked off a little bit, and I think I'm going to go long. I might just go long here. Damn. Well, right here it is. There we go. Let it move. Let it breathe. I think if they can bring it back over, I mean, really, realistically, over 369 would really get this shit moving up to the upside. You know, we get over 369. It'd be really fucking awesome for them to just pop it, big dog style. Here we go. Here we go. All right. I got some. I had to take my profits. I was down. That was just $100. That was just $100. I want to get this paid. So this is what you need on your chart, just so you know. This is going to be a good. So see this line? This is the hourly orb, the first hour the market trades. As long as we continue to hold that, it's bullish to me to the upside. You're outside of the first hour of trading to the upside, and it usually serves as pretty good support. All right, now I need exactly a hundy. So I can either get 10 points with 5 micros or 5 points with a mini. I don't know what to do here. Or I get 1 point with 10 contracts. Do I go in for 1 point? That's 4 ticks. That'd be so ballsy. I mean, what could possibly go wrong? Yeah, no, it's not an eval though. This is me getting a $2,000 payment. Are they going to pop this thing to new highs? Not that I'm buying all the way up here, but yo, my funded futures pays you like almost instantly. I've been paid by them a couple times already. I got paid real quick, like super quick. Give myself the clap. Once I get over, I'll give myself the clap. I need to get over. Yeah, using Rise. Yep. I requested and got money really quick. Full port. I mean, you're like in a chop zone. If we get back down to like 61, I'll take it. Push over. Push over. Do I need 10 points? Push it. There, if it pops, it'll clip me. Come on. Come on, this is for all the marbles. Push it. Push it. Might as well go long YM, can't lose. Oh, these guys are tickling me right now. Fuck. Holy shit, that was fucking... Dude, it's getting wick-wacky. What the fuck is going on? No, I'm gonna get fucking stopped. Come on. Give me 67, 68. Nope, they don't want to do it. They don't want to do it. Come on, fire up a monster green adult toy candle. Nah. Nope. You know what's crazy was I was actually thinking about going short right up here. It's just in this fucking trading zone. Well, I'm flipping off this account before I... Well, here's the 5-minute. What is that? That's at 49. All right, 55 bucks back. I take that. I had to take some money back there. Was plus 800, now down 700. Oh, pump it. Algo candle it up to 67. Come on, we got the stochastic cross. Pump. Pump. They're not going to fucking do it. Unbelievable. Nothing a little DCA can't fix. Yeah. Is this thing going to roll? It's interesting. The 8 is crossing the 34 to the downside. That's interesting. What up, Husk? We're just not getting any momentum. Doing all right. Doing all right. Trying to see what the fuck's going on up here. I just feel like there's no momentum. Just trying to move like grandpa's limp dick. Yeah, I'm just trying to snag a couple bucks here. Yeah, I'm trying to get close to the payout again. Oh, I would like to see some type of structure being made before. Um, I'd like to see some type of structure being made before I go in. Gibberish. This is looking. Look at this. Are they going to sell this out? Oh, fucking dump it. I don't know, man. It's looking dumpish. They're kind of keeping it under. Nope, there you go. Lucky I got out. The 8 crossed below the 34. They were keeping it under the 34. They were keeping it under there. That's it's definitely looking choppy. Not going to deny that. Looking seriously choppy. That's a big candle up, and are they going to roll it? No. Now I'm just trying to make something out of nothing. I need to just wait. Just learned my lesson right there. Just fucking wait. Just wait. Just wait. I'm going to switch off this. Just wait to a better setup because this is just looking. Honestly, if you look at the 5, it looks more bullish than bearish.
Order rejected.
There we go. Got a little bit there. They're so choppy. Jeez. 92. I'm now 300 bucks, $350 away. I was at closest, I was $80. This is just fucking the chop. The chop chop. I mean, I don't even trust this. Damn. Just had to short this little wick. Got long a bit earlier. Yeah. I mean, we're just in one big freaking flag. It's kind of what this looks like. I don't see any big earnings after hours that are going to matter. This might be the drop. Get down to like the 200 or something. Again, just riding this freaking riding the orb. Downtown Chinatown. Dude. I mean, look how choppy this is. Yeah, I mean, I'm looking to just hang here. I feel like ultimately we're going to break to the upside. Just such a tight fucking zone. Dude, this is fucking nuts. These days have been shit the last couple bits. Woo! Woo! $40. Love my Hemi. Carlos Amper. What up? What up? Oh, man. I feel like we are going to break out of this. We're just going to break out to the upside. You know, we're just going to go and then up, out. Just checking freaking. I'm afraid to buy more exposure in the stock market also. I kind of feel like we're going to dip here. Kind of feel like a dip is incoming. Karen Moore, what up? What up? Mario's in here. Man, nuclear stocks will be on my list of freaking things to buy. For that, I could tell you. Nuclear stocks on a dip. I am going to take that to the bank. I've reduced my exposure on a lot of shit, by the way. I have pulled back a lot. I am yeah. Man, we are just in this freaking consolidation. Sono, how much money have you made trading? I lived off of only trading for 3 years. From 2000, when I first got into it, pretty much for the first 3 years, I lived off of trading. Super rough price action. I don't know. I made a bunch, man. I've made a lot. I've been doing this since 2007, 2008. I haven't been doing prop firms, but I've been doing actual trading. What's interesting is we're getting lower highs. Dude, how much money do I make a year approximately? I mean, maybe if I knew you a tad bit personally, just throwing it out there. I mean, you're just getting lower highs, lower. You must have a sugar mama. I post stuff in the Discord. I mean, I usually post my options or my actual real money account pretty much every day, or I tell you guys I'm up or down. I don't like hide it when I get smoked. I mean, this is where I'm at today right now. Just another day. Just another day. I think we're going to end up rolling. I hate that we keep holding, but man, does this feel like a roll? Watch it give it up all the way down to the 200. Oh, it'd be fucking amazing. Oh, fucking dump it. Dump it. Dump it. I want to see fucking blood, or at least down to 49, bro. I'm taking my money only because I'm so fucking close. Yeah, I would have got. I want to see if they fucking just slam it. Do they slam it? They slam it down to the 200? Nah, I'm out. I'm out. Just, yeah. Ooh. I got out even. Okay. Hey, man, I told you it was rolling. I don't know what more. Not only did I tell you it was rolling, but I explained it. Explained it. You were just getting lower highs. I don't even think this is done. I don't even think it's done. Watch it get under here and drop down to the 200. Get the fuck under 46. Get it. Get under 46. Go. Why I took that again short was we were hanging out below the 21 on the 5, and it just kind of seemed like it would continue down. Whoa. Now we're getting stretched. You got the 200 right here, and you're stretched. If they do tag 200, I'll grab one. If they don't tag it, I'm out. But see how you're already starting to come back. You're already starting to turn up. I'm out. Out. Are they going to turn it back down? Dude, that was a good freaking trade. I mean, you see it coming. You're just getting lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. eventually it's going to break. You just got to, you know, it was clear as day. I wish I went in heavier or with more accounts. Hopefully some of you guys made some money. Just feels like it's not done, honestly. Feels like it's not done. I would love to see it go down to VWAP. I got VWAP at oh man, I got VWAP at 313. That'd be a freaking, let's see. This is risky as fuck, by the way. I'm probably going to get stopped out, but I just feel like if they're going to make another leg down, this would be the time to make another leg down. I kind of liked it better when we were down here, but fucking is what it is. I'm out. That's why I went in with micros. I'm long. Do I close? I mean, that's up to you, man. I don't know. I don't know what your risk parameters are. I don't know what the deal is. For any of you guys, I'm going to get a snack. Snack time. Snack time. Oh, man. Back. I'm back. End of day, don't expect much from the price. Maybe. Maybe yes. Maybe no. I don't know. We'll see what happens here. We dropping? I feel like the market Prizzo. Yeah, that's the news for tomorrow. Probably move on that. Probably definitely get a little move on that. You got Netflix earnings tomorrow morning. That you're going to move on that. I don't know what time they come out. I got to do some research tonight to see what time they come out. Oh, man. Come on. Is it not going to hold? Oh, fuck me. Awesome. They fucking stopped me out. Let's go. Retouch this bitch. Retouch it. Come back down. Actually, I'd love to see it just fucking sell. So risky, by the way. This is not, I don't even know why I'm in this trade. I should not be in this trade. I need a big fucking candle to bail me out of this. Nope. Nope. I don't even know why I got in there. Don't even know. I'm just pressing to get this fucking account over for a payout, and it's just getting worse. Are we going to reject? 34 rejection? It's crazy. They just keep pressing it up. It almost feels like they're just pressing it to like dump for earnings season. It's almost like they're holding it up for something. That's kind of what it feels like. Hello, Mohammed. Run for president? Oh, I'm fucking out of this. I'm out of this shit show. Damn, $100 away from a $2,700 payout in Apex. $900 withdrawal approved. Damn, Joseph. Yo, smash the confetti for my man. Smash it. Congrats, man. Oh, I just got fucking stopped out and now it's dumping. Unfreaking believable. Unbelievable. I mean, that was the move right here. I mean, that move. Nice, Joseph. 100K, you're gonna quit your job? Come on, fucking dump this pig. Dump it. Yeah. Oh, dude, I traded for fucking. Oh man, watch. I get top ticked. They're gonna drop it now. Oh my fucking god. Dude, it's not. It does. It feels like it wants to, but it's just not. I mean, if you look at the 5, it looks decent. Fucking plow down, bro. Just plow it down. I got nothing. Peanuts. They never put. Need 304. I don't know if you're going to get 304, man. 304 is kind of far out there. 304 is a ways, man. Not saying you can't get there, but this is some shut down the computer. Butcher US. Yeah, I should. I should. I mean, this is looking like shit chop. I'm not out of control yet, man. You haven't seen out of control yet. Oh, I'm out of this account. I'm out of this fucking account. On the 5 minute, this looks fucking, it looks so much better on the 5. Honestly, what you have here, if we could break 56 to the upside, you basically kind of have like a double bottom forming, and then you would break through. You'd probably get back up to high a day. That's honestly what you probably have. As long as we hold here, I'm going to hold my position. Oh. I think overall, oh shit. I mean, yeah, what's the big lesson? Oh, we have 7 minutes to the algo candle. I wonder if you're going to get people just piling into the market for Netflix earnings tomorrow because they want to be part of it. Buy low, sell high. Oh, this is looking fucking dumpy. Yeah, I have them. I got a bunch of degen accounts. This is looking this is looking really fucking bad. I'm out. I'll hold this. And this is just looking. Dude, I just heard a transformer blow. I wonder if I'm going to lose power. This looks fucking bad. This is one. This is. Watch it. I'm going to go in volumetrica. What the fuck? Oh, they held? Dude, I was up. I can't believe they didn't push it further down when we broke here. That was the time to just unload. I was in profit. I just wasn't on the screen. Oh. That sucks. I was right. I mean, it was down. I was up $100. Unbelievable. Now this is looking like it wants to go. Unbelievable. Unfucking believable. Dude, I need a big one to the downside. I was $85 away from a payout and just got fucking hammered here. I shouldn't even be trading this, dude. Shouldn't even be trading it. Honestly, at the end of the day, I shouldn't even be doing this. There's no formation here. There's no nothing. I'm fucking out. I'm out. I'm out. Fuck this account. Obviously, I have a lot of drawdown left. I'll just fucking. Are they going to break this out? Probably not. Fucking stop me out again. Unbelievable. Let me just get out of here. There's no conviction. I'm just fucking guessing here just to try to make some of it back. I'm just going to stop. So crazy. So it stops me out, and now we're just dropping back to where we were. Yeah, no, I mean, me either. I mean, me either. I thought we would have dumped by now. Oh, so fucking ridiculous. This is what I've been fucking saying. Oh, bro. Bro. That was the move I needed. Look at it though. They bring it right the fuck back. Right the fuck back. What is 1-800-GAMBLER? I don't know. What is it? What is it? Please explain. I don't know, dude. They freaking have brought it back every time. Every time they buy it back up. I need it. I'm pretty sure I don't. Pretty sure I don't. I have orders to fill that. I thought it would get filled. It's completely fucked at this point, Alex. It's completely fucked. I just let it ride. Let's see what happens. I know it's going to just take me out. Oh, I knew it. Watch this. It's going to come all the way back. All right. Bro, it's fucking digital money, bro. It's a fucking eval, bro. Don't be worried, man. Don't be worried. There's only two types of evals, man. The ones that you pass and they're PAs, or ones that are not. I think you get too worried. It's just a fucking eval. Not worried at all. They're not going to move it. This is one big fucking chop fest. I'm going to have to, I'm not mad. I'm just saying what it is. There's only two types of evals. Bro, if I was down $3,000 in my fucking actual trading account, dude, I'm succeeding just fine, man. Sorry, bud. I'm succeeding just fine. I just don't think this is going to go anywhere. I wouldn't be surprised if they closed it and ripped it. I think the market's going to take a fucking breather here. Netflix earnings better be monstrous tomorrow. Netflix earnings better be freaking massive, because if they're not, this market's going to shit itself. And Netflix is like way the fuck up. Netflix is at 702. Jeez. Netflix is up almost fucking 40% this year. Well, that's popping. That's popping. Damn. Such fucking chop. Yeah, I mean, well, so Netflix is starting to do live events. If they start rolling out live events every other week, like pay-per-view does, Netflix can make a lot of money. Like they're doing the Tyson fight. If they start doing a lot more live events where they have live events like boxing and the fights, and they have other stuff, Netflix can make a lot more money than they currently are making. It's just, are they going to do that? What's the deal? There's a lot of stuff going on. I don't know. It's going to be super freaking. I'm going to watch the Tyson fight. Yeah, plus live. They have the ability. Yes. Like Amazon has Thursday Night Football. They need to do something where. Well, I say the live events because I think you have to pay on top of your subscription. You have to pay like $10 or $20 for the fight. So I think the more paid stuff Netflix does like that, the more the more revenue they'll be making, or whatever you want to call it, money. I think it's going to be interesting to see what they are doing. It's going to be interesting to see what they do on the call. Oh, it's free? It's free? I didn't know it was free. I thought the fight was, I thought you had to pay for the fight. The fight's not, the fight's free? I thought they were going to start doing paid events. Today was a great day in my actual trading account and a shit prop firm day. Pretty much. Shit prop firm, great actual trading day. Damn. All right. I guess I'll roll this out. You got 3 minutes to claim your stuff. If you don't do it in 3 minutes, we just pass it on to someone else. Dude, there's a lot of ducks. Wait, hold on 1 second. Let's see what happens. Hold on. I need my boom, boom, boom. Make sure this is all working. For everybody that came by today, let's roll. Boom. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Dude, I want to win one. I haven't won one yet. There's Trump. Trump duck. Let's go.
China.
Let's roll. Oh, baby. Who do we got? Who do we got? The reindeer duck hasn't won yet. Reindeer duck has not won yet. Raid trades. You got to look for the guys in the back.
Too soon, Junior.
Too soon, Junior. Don't want to be out early. I can tell you that much. Let's go. That's not an anchor, Josh. That's a third leg. Oh, shit. My duck skipped leg day. Dude, I don't even know where my duck is. Let's go. Where are we at here? Marie White's a granny duck. Uh-oh. Who's coming from the back? Who's coming from the back? Oh, my God. I see Sean Colbert coming up. we rerun this shit. 409, we rerun this. If that person isn't here.
Dude, I almost had you.
You almost had me. You never had me. You never had your car.
Yo, definitely a fake account. You're gonna have to email. You need a. I don't know what soundbite that is. I'm just fucking holding this. Holding it to the end. You could have any beer in here as long as it's a Corona.
Ask any racer, any real racer. It don't matter if you win by an inch or a mile. Winning's winning.
Bro, winning's winning. Do too, bro. I don't know. I'm hanging out at 1. We'll see what happens.
The system is totally rigged.
Dude, just fucking dump it. Hopefully you guys made a ton of money today.
700 billion and $1.3 billion.
Let's go. Are we going to break under here and just fucking flood it? That would be really cool. A lot of bros going on. Come on. Unload this thing. You blew an account today? I blew one. All right, I just made a quick $70 back. That's really like peeing in the ocean, but it's something. Something. 70 is better than nothing. Man, I've been waiting for this push down like the whole time. Just never really got it. Like, I mean, I was talking about the push down when we were up here. We got this dump, and then it never really dumped out. I was looking for 317 as my target. I need to get this account up. Game over. Oh, I'd play that flip song, but I can't. They don't allow me to. Did absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing the last 2 hours. I mean, we got this drop that I played, and then it just chopped. Every day, 1:30, 2 o'clock to about 4:30. Sometimes I play after hours, just like I did now. Just trying to get some of these accounts up and over. Anybody that trades options or stocks, if you're new here, I am definitely do a bunch of that. I actually post everything here if you want. Boom, boom, boom. If you want, I post everything there, what I do every day, what I buy, what I sell, what I'm holding. If you're interested, pop in. I think I finished the day. Yeah. I basically cranked it all on ASPN, to be honest with you. I finished the day up a little over $2,000. I've been on a heater the last 2-3 weeks. I can tell you that. I'm just waiting for it to cool off. But I think the market in general is going to cool off. So I've kind of been unloading. So I'm not really holding a lot. A bunch of stock is going to get taken from me. So that will reduce, obviously, what I'm holding. Yeah. Yeah. After this week, you'll see all the reductions of, is this thing going lower? Dun, dun, dun. Oh, just freaking dump it. Tomorrow's focused on trading A. Dude, tell me about it. Yep. A+ setups only. There was a couple really good setups today. I mean, I don't want to say real good, but when we broke out over here, that was probably the best trade of the day for me. We were grinding, and then when we broke, that was an awesome trade. And the shot basically down here, I got in at almost the lows. I was taking a shot, a whole number shot. So I was in and I fucking sold for like small peanuts. That was like it. I was on the stream this morning saying how I wanted to short it like up here, and it just fucking dropped without me. Darrell's nutsack, what up? Dude, one good trade with one contract is all you need, because you can get 10 points. 10 points is $200 and be done. You don't need a lot of contracts. You know, guys that need, you don't need one contract. One contract will do the trick. That's all you really need. One contract, 10 points is $200. You know, you can copy trade that. Like everybody says, oh, I made all this money. It's because they copy traded it. So if you had 10 accounts, your $200 is $2,000. The biggest thing is waiting for that one setup. Okay. Got another $60. Looks like it's going to leak lower, but I was just trying to take what I can get at this point, just kind of stacking little gains after hours. I got back 70, 60, so it was $130 I just got back. honestly, my big thing right now, I know you guys may not even be into it, but I'm trying to find like 1 to 3 stocks that I have super high conviction in that I'm going to load the fucking boat up on the next dip. I have a feeling we're going to dip after the election. And when we dip after the election, I want to be fucking heavy. I'll probably grab $15,000, $20,000 worth of options. And then I'll probably grab a bunch of stock as well. And I'll probably divide it up between 1 and 3 stocks. And that's what I plan on riding for like 6 months or so on, you know, generally my larger gains. That's kind of what I'm looking at. I'm trying to find a couple companies that are growing, that the price hasn't gone up a lot. I do really like the nuclear stocks. I think there's going to be a long-term play there. They've ran a lot, but I do like CCJ. If it can come back down a bit, you know, obviously everyone's talking about PLTR. They have earnings coming up. I hope they shit on the earnings and it dips. I am liking SoFi a little bit. I don't know if that's going to be my big one. I like that rates are going down, but I don't think they're going to cut rates any longer. And I think it's overpriced at $10. I think it needs to come back down to the 7 land. But every year or so, I find a couple companies that I buy a lot and I just kind of hold. And that's where I'm at right now. I want to look into whatever popped ASPN today. I just kind of sold it off because when you're up 25% in a day, that's usually where you take the gains. Look at this shit. I could have got $200 more. Jeez. Well, I'm not shorting it here, so it is what it is. Damn, I had it. I had it. Been talking about this shit. All I had to do was fucking hold. Dude, that's not enough money for me. 40 cents for 2 months out. Josh, are you in the Discord, Josh? I feel like you trade options, or at least you sell options, that it's somebody I can talk to this about besides my normal people. I'm always looking for new people to talk. I want to see CCJ come back down to like 46. And I'm not looking to sell. I'm looking to buy options. It doesn't. So Kevin, it won't wreck you. You'll get assigned the stock, but you do it with companies that you don't mind owning the stock. You don't lose your money. You basically get assigned the stock and then you own it. And then you can turn around and sell calls against it. You can do a lot of things. Look at this shit. Fucking right there. So funny how that works. Not in Discord? Oh. What do I think about crypto? I think you've missed the crypto boat. And I could be completely wrong. I don't know if you're even in Discord, but if you want, pop on. I'd love to just fucking, I'll make a channel just for selling options and just, I'll post my shit in there every day. I got a couple things that I'm looking at that I'm in that I'm going to keep selling. PayC is one of what is it? Paycom. Paycom's one that I keep selling against. I have to be willing to own the stock, Kevin. And my thesis, I'm not worried about 1 day, 3 days. I'm willing to own the stock, own it for a long time if I'm going to. And then sometimes I just buy it back. So like I had an AMD put, I was up on it and then I was down on it. I just bought it back. AMD was at 167. Like you don't have to continue to hold it. You know what's fucked is CCJ came out. They came out that nuclear news. CCJ popped. It was at like 45. I should have just said F it, went in. I would have been up $10, would have been up 20% in like 3 weeks. Yeah, I mean, ugh. I have a feeling we dump on this Netflix news tomorrow. Just throwing it out there. Just feels dumpy. Feels dumpy McDumperson. Always be selling. I'm trying to think what else I got in my account that I like. I've sold a lot of it. Like SoFi stock is getting taken away from me. TGTX, part of my position is getting taken away from me. PayC, the call, I sold 165s. That will probably get taken away from me. And then I have CELH, which expires. I'm collecting 40s. And then DELO, I sold, the fuck did I sell DELO? $9 calls. Why did I sell $9 calls there? I have no freaking idea. Oh, shit. Well, at least I made some freaking money back. The thing that I like is prop firms are cool. Prop firms, every day, the action is going on and on and on and on. But when you start trading and selling options and whatnot, there's different stories. So it's more stories that you can learn about and products and things where you're like learning and there's different charts. It's just not one thing like prop firms. Like you're trading the NQ. So every day it's the same thing. Not that it's bad. I just like learning about all these other companies. Dun, 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 dun. Dude, pick dinner up. Freaking my wife. Am I going to be trading tonight? I don't know, man. I might be trading tonight. Feels like a night trade. But most traders use options to gamble. Bro, you're not even kidding, Josh. I see the craziest shit in the world on Twitter. I use it to pick up shares at a discount, mostly shares at a discount, or I will sell puts to buy calls on a company that I don't mind buying the stock on. And basically I finance the calls using the sale of the puts. That's what I did with ASPN, and that's how I did today with it. But yeah, man, it's I see people buy zero DTE options and shit like that. They get absolutely destroyed. I mean, that's just gambling. There's a lot of gambling that goes on in the options world. I'm not in for the gambling. I'm in for picking up shares at a discount. I'm in taking my position and selling out of the money calls to lower my cost of stock. Things like that. Not Wall Street bets, buying fucking options to go up a gazillion % in a day. I would say the market in general is up. I don't think we're going to crash 50%. 50% would bring us, dude, you know what 50% looks like? So this is just the Qs. Well, here, I'll bring up NQ. 50% would bring us down to 10,000. The last time we were at 10,000 would have been October 22nd, 2022. That was basically the bottom. You would need something major to go back down there. Because we were almost at 10,000 before COVID. I do think we're overvalued. I don't know if we're going to go down to 10,000. I would love to see 17,000 retest the highs of COVID. But I got to take this. I will see you guys. Come in the Discord. I could talk this shit all day, all night. If you guys want, I'm going to post a bunch of shit in there. I could talk this. I do think we're way up. But I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.